Most network marketers are taught to recruit people by chasing them, messaging your friends, making that list of 100, following up with people who've liked your post before. And let's be honest, not only can it be exhausting, it can be really awkward and it could put the yuck in network marketing, right? But what if instead of chasing people, the right people could find you first when they're already searching for the help that you provide? That's what attraction marketing is. And on YouTube, it is one of the best platforms to do it. It gets exhausting as a network marketer or somebody that's trying to build an online business to send those messages to your friends and make that list of 100. And it really is a deterrent. And so when I first got started in network marketing and my upline had told me to do this, I was like, this feels really awkward to me. I don't want to have a hidden agenda. And so I went on this journey to figure out exactly what this attraction marketing is that was all the buzz back when I first started. And it was amazing, but yet it wasn't quite taught the right way. And when I started to implement attraction marketing on YouTube, my entire business has changed, where I've been able to sell personally over $16,000 in personal sales every single month and build in 5 to 7 business builders into my business, bring them in on autopilot, all because of my YouTube videos. And so what I want to do in this video is I want to teach you about attraction marketing, but not just attraction marketing on social media, attraction marketing on YouTube, because YouTube is the best platform for network marketers to be building their business. And quite honestly, I don't understand why more network marketers are not building on YouTube. So it's exactly why I've put together this entire YouTube series for network marketers on how to make sure you're growing your business on YouTube if you are a network marketer. So one of the things is attraction marketing. You think, oh my gosh, I have to be an influencer and I have to have, thousands of followers. And it's actually not the case. But attraction marketing is not for somebody that is not 100% devoted to being successful in the network marketing space. And I say this because you can't just post 1 or 2 videos and expect people to just come pouring out and being like, oh my gosh, I want exactly what you're having. Attraction marketing takes time. It takes consistency. It takes building that educational muscle so that when you are showing up in search on the first page of YouTube, then people are coming to you as a resource and not as necessarily an influencer, and you're not doing the chasing. So you have to know that it's going to take some time to create a brand and educate your audience. And then what happens because of YouTube, your audience actually comes and they find you because they're searching for the problem that you have got the answer to over on YouTube versus on social media where you're doing what we call interruption marketing, right? You're doing the attraction marketing piece, but you're hoping that somebody is going to stop the scroll and see what you have to offer or see the educational piece that you are sharing with your audience. But on YouTube, what happens, because at its core, it's a search engine. It stands for search engine optimization. And I get into all of that in this other video series. So after this video, definitely make sure you watch the whole series. I talk about which videos you should be making for recruiting and which videos you should be making for sales. It's a deep dive into all things YouTube for you. But on YouTube or an SEO platform, you are specifically answering questions that people are searching for. So when somebody goes and searches for something, your video pops up when it's well optimized. So for example, let's say you are a guru when it comes to essential oils, right? And you have a YouTube channel that teaches people about essential oils and mental health, right? I'm just throwing it out there for you. And so you might have a YouTube video that talks about the best essential oils to help relax the mind when you're feeling a little bit anxious, right? We're not going to diagnose over here. We got to be really careful. I'll put that caveat in there. And then what happens is your YouTube video is getting seen by people that are searching for essential oils to help calm them down. And so what happens is they're starting to get attracted to you. They start to follow you. They start to binge watch your YouTube videos. And the next thing you know, you're going to get people that are starting to order from you. You're going to get people that are starting to be like, oh, wait, I can make money selling essential oils. That sounds absolutely amazing. I want to do that. And that's what the power of attraction marketing is. But that's what the power of attraction marketing is over on YouTube, where if you're on Facebook or you're on Instagram, you're just hoping that maybe somebody that's watching your video, that's most likely a friend or family that's probably already seen your stuff before, is finding your video and that it's helpful. But number one, you don't know if they like essential oils. Number two, you don't know if they're suffering with anxious feelings. You're just hoping that the content resonates with you. Where over on YouTube, what's happening is people are specifically searching for that problem and then they're watching your video. Do you see how that's called intent marketing versus interruption marketing? And I'm telling you, it has been an absolute game changer for my business when I learned how to use attraction marketing the right way over on YouTube. Now, what I also love about YouTube is that you can also recruit on your channel and get business builders as well using attraction marketing. So you could see if if we're going to stick with the oils example, you could see and make a video of how to make money selling essential oils, or how moms who love oils make money, right? Or how to sell your own essential oils, whatever it may be. And so then you can lead people to your company's website. You could have a funnel. You could have a lead magnet for them. You can collect their email. The sky's the limit, however you want to build. And again, inside of my channel over here, I have got for you a bunch of different ways to build your YouTube channel. So definitely make sure you check out these other videos, okay? YouTube is just so much more powerful than the other social media platforms. Now, what I always like to say is, number one, show up on YouTube, because you're going to get the intent marketers, you're going to get the intent search. But then what happens is you connect people to your social media, and you want to show up on one social media site, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it be TikTok. Probably Facebook or Instagram. I personally love Facebook because of the communities and because I feel like there's a sense of connection over there. And so what you're going to do is you're going to post one well-optimized YouTube video every single week that is drawing people to you. They're going to go and find you over on social media, and you're posting in your stories about your family, you're posting in the stories about your children. And so then it really starts to initiate that like, know, and trust factor. And so it's almost like this 360, this perfect sphere of influence where you are educating your audience. They're getting to know you over on social media. They want to work with you. They like you. You're able to recruit them into your network marketing business because of your YouTube videos. You guys, I have been doing this for several years, and it has made a world of difference in my business. I have now been able to sell, like I said, over 16,000 in personal sales, 5 to 7 business builders, all because of my YouTube videos like the ones that you see over here. And if you're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, I need to do this, what I have for you is in the description of this video, I have for you my Kickstart guide that's going to help you get optimized and set up on YouTube for your network marketing business. And you're going to be able to figure out exactly what videos to craft. You're going to be able to figure out how to show up and make sure that your YouTube channel is well optimized so that people can start to find you in search through the attraction marketing videos that you're putting out on YouTube. All right, this is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. If you like content like this, if you're ready to grow your network marketing business, you're working smarter, not harder. If you're like, I am done with the hamster wheel of reaching out to thousands of people and feeling really awkward, and I want to learn this whole YouTube strategy, and I want to learn how to build my network marketing business more successfully, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I put out content like this every single week, and it's meant to help you grow your network marketing business and getting sales over here on YouTube. All right, you guys, have a good day. Bye.